clean air for schools in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Research shows that when women participate in politics, the whole of society benefits. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, women leaders are taking action to reduce air pollution in schools.
This topic is about child health, so it was really, you could see that those women are fighting because they know very well how important it is to have healthy environment for the children in the schools and kindergartens.
Westminster Foundation for Democracy in Bosnia and Herzegovina supported women's political leadership by gathering women from different political parties to help them develop policy solutions and advocacy plans to advocate for better air quality in their communities.
The women who were working together to find a solution needed research and evidence to help make their case. So WFD funded a study on the impact of air pollution and what could be done about it.
So the key findings of the study that we published by support of Westminster Foundation actually was that this exists. So nobody now could say that air is clean. We actually proved that we need only 1% of the annual budget for federation to actually solve these problems, to actually invest in all these recuperation systems in each schools in the federation, which is really, also very good argumentations to fight.
In the city of Zenica, the fourth largest in Bosnia and Herzegovina, residents are advised to stay indoors when pollution is high. However, indoor air can be 3 to 5 times more polluted.
Zenica is an industrial city, so the air quality is poor for years, for decades. The problem actually evolved after the privatization of the steelworks, so the last 15 years we have, I think, the worst air quality in Bosnia and Herzegovina, in the Balkans and probably in Europe. Unfortunately, there are schools which are very close to the factory and the children are affected the most.
The Women Leaders Advocacy led the Ministry of Education to provide air purifiers to 2 schools located close to the factory in Zenica.
I nadam se da bi ovaj pročišćač zraka trebao da bude ovdje u našoj školi skoro u svakoj učionici. Jer djeca su jako bolesna, imaju bronhitis, puno kašlju i odustaju i odsustvuju od nastave.
So it is very important for the kids to have the opportunity to breathe the fresh air, the clean air, at least in school, in classroom, so that they can do better, they can learn better, and then they can develop their skills.
4 years later, the women leaders continue to use the skills they gained through the mentorship program, driving lasting change. Now they're advocating for better air quality in every school in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
In the last 4 years, we really achieved a lot. Firstly, all the women during that mentorship program, they actually made the initiative and they sent that initiative in the parliament procedures. But I have to say that I'm really happy that this June, this year, House of People in Federation, they adopted this resolution. So now the government of Federation has 12 months to actually organize this working group and work on each of those legislations to actually adopt everything in line with the directives from the EU.
When women participate in politics, when they take their place in politics, the whole society benefits. And we have tangible outcomes, not only for girls and women, but the whole society.